Oh, the cops are out. It's the stance police here to arrest you for this fitment. Jeez.
Guys, so today we're going to be taking a break from working on Blaine's car and we're going to work on my car for just a little bit. There's a couple of things that I need to do before I can take the car back on the road, and one of them is to adjust the strut so it does bottom out before it airs out, and to get the most comfortable ride and also the most lift as possible, it's good to have it air out and bottom out at about the same point. So I'm going to work on that first. Another thing that I have to do is figure out a ride height, and I'm thinking somewhere about here. I can't run it super low just because it has that lip on the fender. The only option would be to cut it off, and I don't want to do that. I like the way that the lip looks. We added it on purposefully. So I'm just gonna have to compromise with a little bit higher of a ride height, but it's fine. I'm pretty happy if it's like this. To do this.
Just, you need more brains and tools to do this. You got the tools, I got the brains.
It has leather seats.
Clean, bro. Just gotta get another one of these. The back bumper is buzzed, but I'm not gonna buy a new stock one. I'm just gonna go kit later on, but I'm just gonna run it for now. I'm gonna cut this stuff off for now and zip tie it. You run straight? Yeah, it runs pretty good. I drove it from San Francisco. It was in like a neighborhood in San Francisco where like steep hills, bruh.
For real?
Like, even I was in my truck and we're just going like bruh, I felt like I was driving fucking like 45 degrees up on the hill, bruh. Like unreal. Look at this, Kaylee. So fun.
So Bradley just came over to show Blaine his new 350Z. So this is gonna be his new seat time car. He's still working on the S14, but this is just gonna be so that way he can hit some drift events. It looks really nice. The only damage on it is over here in the rear. Right here, but it's not too bad. Blaine has some coilovers for him, so hopefully he can install it before the next drift event, but it looks super nice.
Damn, look at how big these wheels are.
I know. The next time, I'm probably not gonna get as big of wheels.
Oh my gosh, did you only half a contact patch? What a waste of tires. Why would anybody ever do half a contact patch? Jeez. Wow. It's funny when people say that. I wish we were as organized as like the shops that have like all their tools like laid out nicely. Oh jeez. It's funny because I put the jack here to make sure that it holds, but I didn't realize that you took the bolt out. Yeah, so it just fell down anyway. Jeez, the heck. Oh, what is this little drift damage you got over here? Oh, bro, you doing smacking cones. Jeez.
I was smacking. Oh, I smacked the one with the rubber, the big thing at the bottom on the door, and I thought it bent my whole door.
Oh, that's why your car looks like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, the car looks kind of bust because I took it drifting. Yeah. It's because I drift this car. That's why it looks bust like this. Let's
see if he was in NASCAR. Let's see it. Christine pit crew. Christine pit crew. Oh my gosh, we lost the race already. Oh god, all the teams came and went. Finish. They finished the race.
How do they put the lug nuts on so fast?
They're like Jiffy Lube. They just cross-tread all the lug nuts. Okay, so we just did some more adjustments. So Christine just went ahead and found her ride height. So she's gonna ride around town like this. I heard Monster Jam was coming in town.
Be for real. This is your ride height. Do you see your car?
Yeah, the fucking slam. No, so we were able to get a bunch of lift out of these air struts. We didn't actually adjust it since we redid the fenders. So this is like max lift right here. So that's actually good because we needed more lift to get the car off and on the trailer. So this is gonna work out perfectly. So now we just need to do the same adjustment that we did to this side, to the other side, and then we also need to do toe correction because yeah, we just messed up the alignment. So at least in the rear. So we'll do that later, but we just wanted to make sure the height is good because she doesn't want to mess up her fenders with the tires when she airs it out because her bags leak.
Oh, it is this fitting. Yeah, it is this fitting.
I can't see you guys. I can't show you guys. But Christine says it's leaking, so it's leaking. From the fitting or from where the line goes in? Why don't you just jack the wheel up then and then take the tire off?
Yeah, it's coming out of the fitting.
It needs a new fitting. All right, guys, that's the issue. Christine's fitting is busted, so we gotta order a new fitting because I don't think we have any extras. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys want to cop some merch, head over to carshopbloom.com. We actually have some brand new t-shirts dropping for Valentine's Day. As you guys can say, it's heart inspired. We're running a special till Valentine's Day. It's gonna be $25 shipped in the United States. After that, we're gonna have it up for a regular price. So you can still get them, it's just gonna be a little bit more expensive. We want to do something a little special for you guys because we love you guys and we thank you guys so much for supporting us here on the channel. Like I said, all proceeds go right back into the channel to help create content for you guys. If you guys can't cop some merch, we still love you guys. Just make sure you guys subscribe, like the video. It helps other people find us here on the channel. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.